Have you ever wanted to add cinematic chromatic aberration effect directly in FFmpeg without any external plugins? Notice how the red and green channel are slightly offset, creating the signature color of fringing. In this video we will build it visually in FFStudio. This is the effect that we are gonna create, subtle stylized color separation that can be applied dynamically to any video. We will convert this video to RGB format because most videos are internally YUV. If we apply lutrgb on YUV, the channel would be misinterpreted, causing the clipping, bending or washed out colors. Using a float point RGB format ensures precise channel isolating and blending. Next, we split the video into 3 identical streams. Each stream represents one colored channel that we can manipulate independently. Using lutrgb, we isolate each color, red, green and blue. Now each branch contains only one channel. You might wonder why we don't use rgbashift filter, which can also offset channels. It is less flexible for per channel transformation. By isolating each channel manually, we can control offsets precisely, combine channels in any order and animate shifts independently. By applying pad and scale, we offset each channel separately. This offsets is what produces the chromatic aberration. Finally, we recombine the channels using adaptive blending. The individual shifts create the color fringing effect. Now we explore variation and see results instantly with FFStudio's preview feature. Let's start with fairly strong horizontal offset for the channels, around 40 pixels. This exaggerates the color fringing so we can clearly see how each channel separates. Previewing this frame, you can see a very pronounced chromatic aberration effect, ideal for stylized or glitchy visuals. Now let's reduce the offset to a more suitable 10 pixels for realistic look, the effect making it cinematic without being distracting. Previewing this frame, you can see the fringing is still present, but much subtle. Perfect for natural artistic effects. Next, let's try to produce asymmetric chromatic aberration by removing offset from one color channel. The result is asymmetric. The effect looks unbalanced. Realistic chromatic aberration relies on multiple channels being offsets. Let's animate the chromatic aberration by adding a crop with time-based expression for each channel. This lets each channel move independently over the time, creating a dynamic effect. Now each channel moves over the time, producing the dynamic cinematic chromatic aberration effect. You can see how subtle differences in amplitude and phase, creating a gentle fringing or a stylized glitch-like look. This technique isn't limited to chromatic aberration. The pattern is split, isolate, transform, recombine. The application is limitless. Glitch effects, RGB distortions, color gradient experiments, stylized transitions, multi-channel visual effects. In FFStudio, effects aren't magic, they're explicit, controllable data flows. Try your own variation and share them in the comments. You can always copy the raw FFmpeg command from Qtab. See you in the next video. Stay connected with us on Twitter, support on Patreon, and check out our work on GitHub for updates and community contributions.